who has been a doctor for over 30 years, and the sole purpose of him doing medicine was to help people. In 1999, he completed his fellowship with the American Academy of Pediatrics and began practicing medicine in the US. He served diligently as a medical director and volunteer physician at UHI Community Care Clinic for more than a decade and started UMC Free Clinic due to the need of healthcare to the underserved and impoverished population of South Florida. He is currently serving as medical director and volunteer physician at UMC. Dr. Qureshi is his name, and he believes that what he does in the community is to build stronger communities, which is why he mentors students, works in research publications, and holds professorship positions in multiple universities, including FIU, Nova, and Barry universities. He and his wife regularly attend and volunteer at mosques, and his aim is to raise their kids to be caring and compassionate people in the world. I have great pleasure in asking Dr. Zafar Qureshi to please come and receive your award. A bigger round of applause, please, let me hear you.
Thank you.
Do you know, I've seen this face for years, and I never knew he was Dr. Zafar Qureshi. Allah bless you, please.
I want to thank you, Alhikmat. And I remember Brother Basit. I was working with for the Afghan refugees, and we had 1,000 Afghan refugees that he was going every day with me, and he helped me. He helped everybody in relocating, and we were doing the makeshift clinic in the Doral. Thank you, Brother Basit. Thank you.